Hello everybody! Remember, this is English version of this video. In next few days I will also publish in Slovenian and in Serbian language. Znajte, ovo je engleski jezik videa, ali za slovenački i srpski jezik će da bude u sljedećim danima objavljeno. Vedite, da je tale video v angleškem jeziku, vendar v naslednjih dneh bo tudi objavljeno v slovenskem ter v srpskem jeziku. So, I covered this, so let's go to this video itself. You know what? It is 27 degrees Celsius over here in this room. I'm sweating, so I'm hot. I do not have AC, so it is what it is. So, today I am talking to you about these in-ear earphones. Some people are saying in-ear headphones or headphones themselves, but most accurately they are earphones, in-ear earphones. But headphones are, you know, those that you put on your ears. But earphones or in-ear earphones, you push it into your ear channel. Okay, so here I have TRN-V30 in-ear earphones. Those earphones I bought because I need them for some stuff to listen. And today it is review, unboxing, mic test, all this stuff, you know. So, without further ado, let's just start, shall we? So, you saw the unboxing. Let's talk about what is inside the box itself. So, on outer box there is few information, so company TRN, headphones themselves, then also the model TRN-V30. It also says 6 hybrid drivers high fidelity in-ear monitor. So in each of those 2 headphones you have 3 drivers, so for better sound performance. Okay, what else? On this side there is also written in if this one has a microphone or not, and if it is black or transparent white version. So in my case I ordered black ones with the microphone on it. What else? There is also some Chinese writings that I have no idea what they are saying, also some information about company, TRN, and nothing much, all website, etc. So when you push out the inner box, you have this outside layer and inside layer where it just says TRN as registered. Then this is regular box with 2 magnets, and here it I like this magnet when it claps together. And inside, as you saw, there is some cardboard, those baggies, so you get 2 papers in it. One is warranty card and one is the how to use these headphones. They are in English and Chinese language. Also, inside the box you get, of course, 2 in-ear earphones pieces that you go in. You get the cable with, in my case, 3.5mm 4-pole audio plug Also on the cable it is remote with a button and microphone, and also you get those silicone in-ear buds. So when you open up the box, you get on the in-ear phones medium ones, but because my ear channel is small, very small, I'm using small versions. So because I already use this for some time, these headphones, okay, earphones, small ones are on it. Next, let's go to the specifications of these in-ear earphones. So, sorry guys, I will be using my other smartphone for the data. So, if you wanted me to remember stuff and talk to you on the camera, sorry. Today it is all about reading the specifications. So, this in-ear earphones model V30, 20 ohm impedance, sensitivity it is 99 decibels per milliwatt, frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, 20 kHz means 20,000 Hz, then 3.5 mm gilded jack audio plug, cable length 1.2 meters long cable, then it is black or transparent like I said before. Also on the end for the earphones you have detachable 2-pin connector, so you can just take your in-ear headphone and just plug it in just like this, and you get another one and you plug it in as well. What else? There is also a microphone on it. If you want to order with microphone, we have in each of this earphone element, we have 2 BA and 1 DD hybrid units. And so on. There is much more info. If you want to read them, just go into the description below this video and just read. There is also about listen to the software changes in your music, etc, etc, etc. Let's review how is the build quality of the headphones themselves and my initial thoughts, and after using a while what I think about them. Okay, first, this cable, on the very bottom you have this 3.5 mm jack audio plug, and it has metal casing and has 4 ports. Remember, if you want to get more information about these connectors, you can watch my other video somewhere up there. You can just click it or go into the description and learn about them, what these connectors mean to the connector, etc. Next, out of the connector you have these intertwined cables that goes into the Y splitter. Okay, splitter, so one side goes to one in-ear phone and one go to the other. But the problem here is that this is way too far down. So when you hook in the in-ear phones, you see that splitter, it is way too far down. If I want to go up, I would need to do some kind of clamp or something, you know. I have no idea. I will need to think of something DIY project. You do not get anything to capture these two wires, so it would be more like this. Okay, next is the microphone, okay, remote of these headphones. So this remote has one button and it has microphone in it, in the metal casing. So on this button you can skip the music to the next one, you can answer the call, launch the voice command, etc. In the description how to use it, you can find out how you need to press it to get to all the old stuff. Those headphones, like many of those headphones, also that using KZ in-ear earphones, again, earphones, not headphones, has this rubbery element around, which goes behind the ear, and it is not as dynamic as my previous earphones. My previous earphones was KZZS1. As you see here, those are the tangled element. And this was more dynamic. You can bend it to whatever shape you need it. And when this cable will broke, I will probably just take out this element and attach the connector and use this as my behind ear holder, you know. So I prefer this version more than this rubberized, because this rubberized, it is not as good. Okay, next let's go over to the earphone itself. So this earphone, you know what, let me just tell you, in videos that I watched for these earphones on YouTube that people was reviewing, many of videos said that there is a little bit of glue seen on the connections between upper and bottom plastic part. But on my one, I cannot see any glue at all. So they probably fixed that by when I bought these ones. So that is good. They are also, these in-ear phones are plasticky. They are plasticky. Okay, they are nothing special, but I can say they are comfy in the ear itself. But remember, if you have small ear channel, just like mine, that even the small silicone earbuds does not fit in it very good, they are a little bit too big, it is not comfortable, you know. It is not big, it is a little bit smaller, but still it's not so comfy. So if you have very tiny, I do not think that those are for you. But also you can buy the silicone or probably even the foamy ones, earbuds, over the internet, eBay, wherever. And most likely I will order them silicone ones extra small, so XS. I think I forgot to say that even that I said that you get 2 more pairs of the in-ear buds. You basically get small, medium and large ones. No, you know what? Let's go to the microphone test itself.
So guys, currently I'm recording from this microphone on these headphones, recording on my previous smartphone, which is Huawei P20 Lite, that is raw sound from the voice recorder app, but recording the video from my new smartphone, which is Xiaomi, however you want to call it, Mi Note 10 Lite. So, by the way, as you can hear, there is some hissing in the background. Also, I am outside the recording, so you can hear the sound of environment also. So if I go closer to my microphone, you can hear me louder. So now it is just time to switch back to the main video without me talking too much with this microphone. So let's go!
Oh, you are back. Okay, cool. So now you heard the microphone test. I was testing this microphone, as I said, on my smartphone. The sound quality, it is not the greatest, but also it is not bad. It is nice. Also, you know what? Let's go to the sound quality of the headphones themselves. Okay, earphones themselves. So, They sound nice, especially for the price that I got them for. So for 22 euros, okay, 20 euros plus shipping to almost 22 euros. I believe it is like this. You can find the link below this video where I bought them. The sound is very nice, you know. There is in-depth into the bass, you know, so lower frequency range it is nice. But I need to say that the bass it is a little bit too weak, a little bit more balance I would like with the bass and high tones. So what I'm saying is that bass is lower, slightly lower, where the high tones it is more pronounced, you know. And otherwise the high frequency sound it is nice. I would like to have a little bit more treble, mid treble, but otherwise the sound sounds very nice. I was listening also to the audiophile music also on it. I was listening to 3D sound and such, and I can say it is enjoyment listening to them. Okay, I am not an expert on headphones and earphones and all those stuff, because I do not, first of all, I do not have money to buy and try them all out. Second of all, my YouTube channel is small, I have no possibility to get any better headphones to test them and such, but over the what I experienced and the YouTube videos that I watched, you know what, for the price they are good. Remember that some people are telling that those in-ear phones are basically a clone of KZ ZSN ones. So KZ has more bass and a little bit flatter supposedly, but I cannot tell you about this because I do not have them to try them, so I will leave this to other YouTubers that have possibility to check this. What else? Nothing much. Basically I covered all these elements. Of course, if you have any questions, type everything below this video in the comments. You have few info in the description of this video. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notified about new videos. Of course, thumbs up click if you like the video, thumbs down if you did not, and share with others so others can learn too. So, we came to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I know I'm not talking fluently and my videos are not the greatest ones, but I hope that you understood what I wanted you to represent on these headphones. Earphones. And until next time, have a blast, people. Bye bye.